The concept of comparison comes in the degrees of comparison aspect of grammar. So, there are two things which are very important here. One is the comparative statements and the other one is the superlative degree statements. So, in this video we will see the comparison aspect, and in the next video we will go for the superlative degrees. So, where do we use comparison and how do we use it, and what are the grammatical aspects of that, the grammar and usage of comparison we are going to see today. See here, we can compare people and things with each other. Comparison happens in our day to day speech. So, while using it, we use as adjective and as verb plus er than, like lighter, stronger, faster, harder, like that. Then more than, more intelligent, more impressive, more beautiful, more wonderful, more careful, more polite, like that. So, we use either as adjective and as fast as slow as quick as beautiful as, like that, or more plus this one and than, like cold, colder, wide, wider, like that. You see here the example, Geeta is as tall as me, Ravi is taller than me, he is taller than him, she works more carefully than me. See here, all the three I have given you examples here. Next, come to this. We use comparison to compare people and things with other people and things. Normally, comparison happens in life. So, here you see the example. This house is bigger than mine. This house is bigger than mine. Means that my house is smaller than this house. That is the meaning. He is more intelligent than her. He is more intelligent than her, meaning that she is less intelligent than him. This bag is smaller than his. This bag is smaller than his bag, that is the meaning. And the other way, his bag is bigger than this bag. His bag is bigger than this. Your cooking is much better than mine. My cooking is not as better as yours. My cooking is not as much better as yours. This book is lot more interesting than the earlier one. This book is lot more interesting. You see here, whenever we are using much, then lot, a bit, we normally use the comparative form. So, your cooking is much better than, he plays much better than, he drives much, he plays much carefully than somebody, and this book is a lot more interesting, this book is a lot more boring, you sound a bit happier today, you sound bit morose today, you sound bit low today, like that. So, whenever bit comes also lower, comparative degree should come here. Then now come to this one, when the ER form comes, that is important, you have to see where do we use this and where do we use this. One way of identifying that is that when there is a single syllable words like near, near is a single syllable word, high, slow, whereas famous, two syllables are there, famous, two syllables, careful, two again, beautiful, three syllables, intelligent, four, dangerous, you have dangerous, three, important, interested, like that. So, where there is more than one syllable, we use more here. So, famous becomes more famous, careful, more careful, beautiful, more beautiful, intelligent, more intelligent, dangerous, more dangerous, important, more important, interested, more interested. And also in comparative degrees, we should keep one thing, that we cannot say everywhere we cannot put more also. So, that we have to be very careful about the syllable aspect, and this mistake should not be committed. Even in the examination, they try to confuse you by giving single syllable words with wrong comparison aspect, and two syllable words they may not give you more. So, that you have to find out that for more than one syllable we use more always. In the same way, in superlative degrees, for more than one syllable we use most. That is how we can identify where to use more and where to use most. I will give you some more examples now. Dorothy is older than all of her sisters. She is older than all of her sisters. Basketballs are more expensive than footballs. Ice hockey is more dangerous than tennis or volleyball. A basketball court is usually bigger than a badminton court. My new car is faster than my old one. Let us meet in the library. It is quieter than all the other rooms. My computer is much more intelligent than me. The sun is bigger than the moon. The moon is smaller than the sun. Dogs are friendlier than the cats. Dogs are more intelligent than the cats. Train travel is cheaper than air travel. Air travel is faster than the train travel. The Himalayas are colder than the Sahara. Canada is bigger than Ireland. Ireland is smaller than Canada. Now, let us see how the adverbs come, like quick, quickly, polite, politely, slow, slowly. That one also, how do we use it, you see. Lena talks to people more politely than Ben. Lima works more carefully than Joe. Rahman goes to swim more often than his brother. Nazir talks slower than Robin. Ovia thinks more clearly than most other people. Kirti drinks more water than her sister. Kirti dresses more expensively than me. I want to be stronger, exercise more, that is it. So, like that we have to correctly use this comparative form, otherwise grammatical mistakes will be committed. So, practice this and pick up more adjectives and practice in this form. Wherever single syllables are there, you make it like this, and wherever more than one syllable is there, you have to put more and practice it. Through practice we can master it, otherwise mistakes, I have seen even elders and adults and even teachers committing mistakes in this comparative and superlative part. That is why please practice it. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.